So we're doing DoorDash today in San Francisco, California. It's now 8 a.m. We're gonna try to make it a full day, and we gotta wear the mask because they're pretty strict in San Francisco about masks. So don't forget to wear the mask, and let's see how much money we can make in one day doing delivery jobs. So let's go. That was a terrible delivery. Delivered 3 cases of water up to the 19th floor and no tip. Off to a terrible start today. But, oh, what's this? We just got an offer for Noah's Bagels for $11. Sounds pretty good to me. And some chickpeas. Pretty good Korean barbecue. It's 1:30. I think I'm gonna take a break. Might go to the gym. Alright, trying to find this Planet Fitness, and it's proving to be very difficult to find. So hopefully it's around here somewhere. It's JCPenney. I think I made a full circle. I'm a bit lost. Alright, well, couldn't find the gym, so I guess I'll just work out here. Well, I couldn't find the gym, but I did find Chipotle, and I will not be delivering this Chipotle. I will be consuming this Chipotle because it is now 2:30 p.m. and it's time for lunch. Oh my god. I'm so full. But let's take a moment. Let's take a moment to spend some time in peace. Ground ourselves to the earth. Connect within and rekindle that purpose that we so desire. So let's take a moment. Alright, we are live streaming myself and Reddit. We are live streaming Reddit on my phone as I'm living in a car and doing deliveries in San Francisco. So, alright, let's get ready. Alright, that was a very difficult order. I think I'm gonna have to wear the hat now. It's my hat a disappointment when a customer doesn't tip and I have to climb up 3 flights of stairs with bottles of groceries and alcohol, and there's 8 different buildings and Google Maps doesn't work, but it's okay. Be at one. Let what happens, happens. Let it be. Let it be. Let it come. Peace. Alright, it's now almost 9 o'clock and the day is complete. I made $205 with several breaks throughout the day to try to find a gym and to fly the drone and just chill, watch YouTube for a bit. But yeah, $205, not bad. That is the day of the life of a man who lives in his car and does deliveries, and just went to the supermarket and had a very nice salad and some yogurt. And alright, great. We'll see you next time. Peace out. Remember to live simply, live minimally, and enjoy what you can. Oh. There's a crazy guy with a shopping cart. But aside from that, peace and love and happiness to you all. May you all find greatness in this life. Thanks. Peace.